Hey babe, where's your purse?
The Blade Micro CX2. This is the shrunken down version of the larger one that I've made videos of. Everything's practically the same. It's got a swash plate like the other one, so you can change the pitch. This is a full. This is a 4 or 5, is this a 4 or 5 channel? Oh.
This class sounds kind of cool.
4-channel micro helicopter. Weighs less than 1 ounce. Very, very cool. It's got LEDs. I saw this in a running preview at a hobby shop. It's got I believe that's a red and 2 orange. So I'll probably be splicing in a video after this of it in the maiden flight and what it looks like. The LEDs. There's also an LED in here that is, I think it's a blue that's on the board, and it shines through this transparent canopy. So unlike the other ones, this one you don't have to remove a dowel. All it is you just snap. It's just on a button snap. So, and this one was $90, and it's a bind and fly, so which means that the radio wasn't included since we had a nice 6-channel radio that came with the other helicopter. So we can bind it to it, and they fly because they're both on 2.4 gigahertz. So very, very cool little helicopter. Super stable. You can do anything really with it. So yeah, here it is. Anything. You can make potpourri with this.
You can make babies with that?
Yes. Well, sure you could. I'm talking about directionality, dude. There's the gears. There's 2 it's a really tiny little 2 motors, dual motors. Basically everything here is just shrunken down from the larger sized ones. So, and there isn't a large receiver, and there isn't a large gyroscope board on there. So it's all on that small little board. So later. Forgot to show you guys what everything came with. This is a 4 AA battery charger for a 3.7 volt for 120 milliamp LiPo battery. Austin, shut up. So one of them's charging now. We bought 2 extra ones for $20. So came with this. Normally it'd come with a radio for like $30 more. It came with a spare retainer for the linear servo for them, and then it also came with the small Phillips head screwdriver, and of course the manual and the helicopter. Cool. So these batteries also, they slide into a tray in the bottom like how the other one, so they're removable really quick. So there is no on-off switch for these helis. All it is you just plug them in. You got to set them down in order for the gyroscope to set. So because this one is also a gyro stabilized. So, oh, and the helicopter is a coaxial or a coaxis. So what that means is these blades spin opposite from each other to keep it stable. So there is no rudder for that. So all right, later. What?
That one's backwards. So when I go left, it goes right.
So can't you just flip it on? Can't you just flip that on there?
That part's right. It's right here. That's backwards. That's right. That should make it go backwards. It would go backwards there. Anything was kind of turn.
So is it trying to do? Oh, so it's going right then.
It must be the gyro trying to stabilize it in there. Okay, so this is backwards. See? That should be full forward and it's going backwards. Okay.
Was it wasn't it an 8 instead of 6 and 7?
Yeah, I put it back the way it said it should be, but this I need to figure out which one is the elevator control.
Because you have 1, 6, and 7, right? I think
That's
you
on
said-
the old one. I put it the way they said it should be. Let's try
Okay.
this.